Hi, everyone, and thank you for joining us. It's a pleasure to welcome you to this webinar. I'm Natalie, Partner Success Manager in Navixy. Today, we're going to talk about data and the future of how we understand it, interact with it, and manage the data. Now is joining us Kenneth, Senior Solution Engineer and Field Expert in Navixy.
Hi, everyone. For any business, data has always been around, but for a long time, we treated it like something to collect and review in reports or dashboards. That way of working doesn't really fit anymore. Today, decisions are made in real time. They are powered by AI and driven by growing customer expectations. To keep up, we need data that's complete, accessible, and ready to use. The shift is simple. Data isn't just supporting what we do, it's central to how we work. It's not about adding more tools or tweaking dashboards. It's about making sure all the data we need is there from the beginning, so teams can explore, analyze, and take action with flexibility and confidence. What is the real value of data? It's when you can actually do something with it. That's where Navixy and DataHub come in. We're all about turning data into something useful, something that helps you make smarter, faster decisions. Let's think of DataHub as your central storage. It could be used for integrations with your other systems, gives you easy and direct access to everything you need, and helps you dig into analytics that actually drive action. Not just pretty charts or tables, but summary and insights. Your data shouldn't be stuck in silos. With DataHub, it becomes a real asset, powering ideas, strategy, and growth.
You might be thinking, this sounds great, but why does it matter to me today? That's a good question. In today's competitive landscape, businesses that try truly understand and act on their data are the ones that thrive. It matters because it impacts your efficiency, your decision-making speed, your ability to innovate, and ultimately your bottom line. We are not just offering a tool. We are offering a pathway to a greater agility and a stronger competitive position. Let's take a quick look back. Remember yesterday's analytics. We are talking about static reports, often with limited customization, personalized information, and one-size-fits-all approach that rarely fits everyone. While they serve the purpose, today's business environment demands so much more. Our expectations have evolved. Now we are looking for dynamic, personalized analytics that adapt to our needs. We need real-time and historical data access, giving us the full context. And crucially, we demand customization to our specific business needs, not just generic templates. DataHub is built precisely for today's expectations. It's about providing you with the agile, insightful, and adaptable analytics you need to stay ahead.
Think of DataHub as the backbone of your data setup, your go-to place for easy, flexible access to everything you need. In practice, that means a client-specific database where you control the structure, relationships, and how you use the data. It's integration-ready too, so you can plug in your own tools or BI platforms without a hassle. And of course, it's secure. Each client gets their own dedicated environment. It's more than just storage, it's a solid base for doing more with your data. Analytics have come a long way. We started with basic reports, fixed formats, limited options. Then came filters, timeframes, and some self-serve tools that gave us a bit more flexibility. Now, we're in a new reality. AI and machine learning are unlocking all kinds of analytics, from reactive to predictive, prescriptive, and even generative. It's not just about reporting what happened, but about understanding why it happened, what might happen next, and what you should do about it. Tools like DataHub make that shift possible, giving teams smarter, more tailored insights to actually move the business forward.
We often see a data divide in the market. On one side, you have the competitor challenges, fragmented data spread across many systems, limited access to the information you need, a lack of tools to work with the data, and ultimately incomplete insights. It's like trying to solve a puzzle with half the pieces missing. On the other side, we have DataHub solutions. We offer a unified data repository, giving you a full access to all your data. We provide any tools you need for data utilization, putting power back in your hands. The result? Complete, actionable insights that truly move the needle for your business. We bridge the data divide, turning challenges into opportunities. So what does this mean for your edge? With the DataHub, you get real-time dashboards, flexible custom reports, and smooth data flow through built-in integrations. Your data already set up for AI and machine learning. It's ready when you are. You can plug insights right into your apps and systems, work with both past and real-time data, and skip the long setup. It scales with you so you can move fast and stay ahead.
To put it simply, DataHub serves as a centralized data repository. Imagine all your valuable business and telematics data, structured and unstructured, flowing into one secure, accessible location. Let's take a quick dive into the technical side. All analytics, custom reports, dashboards, and anything data-related run on top of our data storage layer, the DataHub, also known as the private Telematics Lakehouse. Technically, it's a cloud database built specifically for each client. It brings together business data, telematics, and other metadata, all cleaned, organized, and ready to use thanks to pre-configured ETL processes. The best part? Clients don't need to set anything up or maintain it themselves. Compared to accessing data through an API, using a database like this gives you much better performance, lower latency, and support for complex queries. You get data much faster, which makes working with it for analytics integrations simpler and more efficient. To keep data clean, structured, and useful, DataHub sorts everything into 3 layers: bronze, silver, and gold. Think of it like a cleanup process. Bronze is the starting point. Raw data as it comes in straight from the device, sensors, GPS, and more. It's unfiltered and untouched. Then comes silver. Here, the data's already been processed, filtered, and grouped into neat data frames. It's more organized and ready for deeper analysis, like cleaned up trip data based on logic you can customize. Gold is the top layer, fully polished and ready to go. This is the data you plug straight into reports and dashboards. No extra work needed.
Who, how, and what? DataHub is built for everyone, from tech teams to business folks, each using data in their own way. For tech specialists like analysts, engineers, and developers, it gives access to raw data for deep dives, custom models, SQL queries, and detailed analysis. For business roles like fleet managers or accountants, it's all about quick insights. They use tools like Power BI, Grafana, or built-in dashboards to get clear reports and visuals. No need to worry about the technical stuff behind it.
Now, let's jump into a few real-world examples of how DataHub helps turn insights into the right actions. Let's take a look at what DataHub brings to the table. First, easy access. You get full, seamless access to your data with flexible ways to explore and analyze it. No more jumping through hoops. Second, easy integration. DataHub connects smoothly with your other tools and platforms so your data flows where it's needed without hassle. And third, easy customization. You can tailor data at every level to fit your business needs. Your data, your way.
Let's take a look at the real-world example. A manufacturing plant needed a real-time monitoring to keep things running safely and smoothly. With the DataHub, they set up a central dashboard where operators could track sensor data live, with filters by monitoring object, sensor type, or even specific sensors. That level of detail helped them catch issues early, avoid downtime, and keep production flowing. Maintenance teams could troubleshoot faster and work smarter, all thanks to a better, more actionable data. For instance, this dashboard is created in Grafana, a third-party tool for data visualization and monitoring. It allows for visuals, filters, and other elements to have a full spectrum of data, real-time values, and additional information. Another interesting use case involves fleet managers. They need to monitor fleet statuses and make decisions based on this information. Here is a real-time status dashboard, but with a twist. The statuses here aren't the same as on the platform web UI. These statuses are calculated differently, using custom logic that can include extra attributes and conditions. The cool thing is that users can define their own logic and statuses. It's not visible here, but an example is that customers could set up an unloading status for logistics, which will be triggered based on the door opening event and when the vehicle is inside the warehouse geofence.
As we wrap up, I want to emphasize a few more critical aspects of DataHub. Beyond everything we've discussed, it offers secured, single-tenant data storage, ensuring your data is isolated and protected. You get the full set of your business, telematics, and metadata, with seamless access and integration capabilities. And looking into the future, DataHub is fully managed and cloud-based, and critically, it's AI and ML ready for truly comprehensive analytics, empowering you to unlock even deeper insights.
DataHub can be the catalyst for your company's data-driven success. We encourage you to begin your data journey with us. Don't hesitate to schedule an online demo with our team members to see this in action, or connect with our support team for any guidance you might need. Thank you for your time and attention today. See you soon.